Hello art friends, get those pencils ready. We're going to be drawing La Chancla. Okay, so to start with, we're going to draw a line coming kind of down, maybe a little bit diagonal. We're going to draw a soft S and another soft S. And then we're going to draw a line coming back. And then we're going to put a J under it, like that. And we're going to draw a line coming out, ziggy zag, like so. Then we're going to draw a little circle right here with a line like that. We're going to draw a line coming back and then a line coming up. And then we're going to draw a line out here like that. That's going to come up and come back like that. So this is kind of like a weird crisscross place. Then we're going to draw a line coming up, ooh, squeaky marker, and around and back down like that. All right, then we're going to draw a line down here, a line coming back, a line coming out, ziggy zag, like that. And then we're going to draw some flowers. All right, sorry, I was thinking. Okay, so we're going to draw a little wiggly circle with some little wiggly leaves. Well, actually, this is the flower. So you're just kind of going around, just kind of wiggly. And then maybe put some leaves in here, leaves. This is bothering me. I think it should go more like this. There's got to be like a toe area. I think that looks better. I'll fix that up. All right, and then let's put some more little flowers back here. Little flowers. Yeah. All right, and then how about we write La Chancla. Woo, just fit it. All right, and then we're gonna draw a big flower right here. That's why we didn't complete that shoe. Just some wiggly wigglies and back down. Wiggly wiggly and back down. You got this. Wiggly wiggly and back down. We'll draw some leaves. Some leaves. Leaves. A leaf there. I think that looks pretty good. Got the flip-flop. Yep. All right. If you enjoyed this drawing, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.